Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Streamlabs OBS themes. Well, to do that, open your Streamlabs OBS application, then log into your account. Now, tap the Scenes tab, then in here, select Widgets Themes, and choose a theme you like and hover over it. You'll see options to select your preferred colors and game category. While many themes require a Streamlabs Ultra subscription, where thousands of top themes are there. But you can find free themes by typing free in the search bar. So type here free. Then scroll through the results and select a free theme. Click install theme to apply it. And that's how to use Streamlabs OBS theme. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.